Alright, today we're going to talk about the quick release shoulder strap, how to install it onto your bag, and in the case you have lost this loop, how to re-loop it back without having to remove off the stitchings. So let's talk about installing onto your bag. So always take note of this Velcro section here. Loop it down to how you normally loop this sort of buckle, like so. Now this is not done yet. Most common mistakes users would do is to loop it this way and then start walking around with it. This is still not secure yet. To secure it down, you need to lead the strap back to the buckle. This will provide it with a strong anchor that it requires for the strap to work properly. And then you latch it onto the Velcro space so that this lead will not be bouncing around too much or sliding off. So that's how you work out your quick release shoulder strap. In the case you have lost this loop, how to re-loop it back without having to remove off the stitchings. What it means by losing a loop, in a case like this one, so it's all loosed up. So what you do is, first thing, pinch the strap. Alright, now you first loop back into the buckle. Use the same pinch and set it back to the other side of the buckle. Cool. And voila. Just like that, simple.